Cage Lavender open racing. Ices scramble for front position. Moving up now in the middle. It is Blitzkrieg. One by Willis Act 2. Moving up Teresa's Magica. Passing the winning post. Teresa's Magic followed by Blitzkrieg Act 2. Around the outside now, Boyo landed beside Diamond Luster, Storm Flag, I Am Strong, then followed by Favorite Channeler. While Bobon Lancer is running in a tail of the field. Going along for the first turn, Teresa's Magic leads by a length, followed by Boyo, or rather number one, Zaktung, moving up by the wheel is Storm Flag and Blitzkrieg and Boyo. And passing the half mile, Teresa's Magic, followed now by Boyo, Blitzkrieg, moving up now to take third. Moving up now in for Diamond Luster, Storm Flag, Actung, Landed, Bisa, I Am Strong, long way back, Favorite Chanela. While Bobon Lancer still running in the tail of the field inside the last 600. Boyo from the outside leads by a nose, followed by Teresa's Magic. Teresa's Magic once again. Boyo Blitzkrieg on the outside. Inside the last 400. Boyo Blitzkrieg moving up on the outside as they turn for home. With Boyo still leading the pack. Here comes threatening danger now from Blitzkrieg. Boyo leading by half a lane. Blitzkrieg moving up now to grab the leader. It's now Blitzkrieg from the outside, followed by Boyo. And finally, it's going to be Blitzkrieg. Boyo, Landed Visa, Teresa's Magic, I Am Strong, and Diamond Luster.
All right, so it was Blitzkrieg for 5.